student. This is the science class of the same chapter, windstorm and cyclone, and the topic that I have to continue is hurricanes. Hurricanes, known generally as tropical cyclones, are low pressure systems with organized thunderstorm activity that form over tropical or subtropical waters. They gain their energy from warm ocean waters. The, the Caribbean Sea, Western Pacific Ocean are known as hurricanes. Now, next topic is typhoons. A typhoon is a mature tropical cyclone that develops between 180 degrees and 100 is in the north hemisphere. This region is referred to as the northwestern Pacific basin and is the most active tropical cyclone basin on earth, accounting for almost one third of world's annual tropical cyclones. Next is tornadoes. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of a tremendous destruction with wind speeds of up to 300 mph. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards. The next topic is the effective safety measures that I'll continue in the next class. That's all. Thank you for today.